Am I supposed to come on YouTube when I make mistakes? Hey guys, I'm here talking to you about my journey. I attempted to do passion twists, locks, kind of. So this is not a tutorial on how to do passion twists. The beautiful boho babe, she has a video on YouTube with everyone's been doing it over again. She does it correctly and they look beautiful. So if you want to know how to do passion twists, please, I encourage you to watch her video. I put it in a link. This is actually how to mess up everything associated with the style, apparently, and I want to show you the mistakes I made and hopefully save you some time. So first of all, let's understand. So these have been in my hair for a month, okay? I didn't do anything when I first put them in because I was just so disappointed in myself, and so I've been hating myself for the past month. So let me tell you what I did. First of all, I thought I can't twist hair into my hair. I don't know how to do it. You know what I mean? If you watch my channel, the reason that I'm pulling this because I don't know how to do hair, period. So this is just what it is. So I thought, well, let's crochet it in. So I made passion twist crochet. One fell out like literally yesterday. So that is why I have this random ass piece. And the reason why it looks so janky, I'll explain. So in my head, I thought, let me make crochet passion twists because then I can put it in my hair because I don't know how to twist synthetic hair in my hair. Like, I'm just learning how to lock it in my hair. I don't know how to twist it. So I knew that wasn't going to work out well for me. So I said, let me make some crochet passion twists and then I will put them in my hair in some magical way. I don't know how I thought I was going to put them in there. So I did the passion twist crochet. And basically, I used her same method, which if you don't know, just go look at her video because she took the time to create it. So go support. So I made them the way that she made them. And then my theory, this was so ridiculous. So what I thought I was going to do, because I'm just learning how to do the lock portion of just wrapping hair, easy enough, right? I thought I was just going to like maybe lock a couple inches and just let the free-flowing passion twist-ness flow at the bottom. So the reason why I like the passion twist, which this is a bad example to show you because these look janky, was the way that the ends looked. They looked so pretty and flowy and beautiful that I was like, okay, you know how goddess locks have hair at the end. I was like, okay, well, I'll just let the hair at the end be this beautiful passion twist texture. Didn't go like that at all, okay? So again, that was the premise behind it because I don't know how to twist hair in my hair, but I'm learning this whole lock thing, right? So in theory, I was going to take, or what I did do, this isn't even theory, and this is, I shouldn't even be on the internet showing you this foolishness. So I took the crochet piece, I wrapped my natural hair around the crochet top. So the part where there's a loop, where there's this loop. Okay, so how do I get this loop? So you just basically do the passion twist around a hanger or something that will give you this loop and you twist around it so that when you take it off the hanger or whatever you decide to put it on, you'll have this loop. So I put my hair through this loop and then I wrapped the wrapping hair. No, sorry. I put my hair through this loop and then I wrapped my real hair around the base of this, okay? Can you see that? The base of this is where I wrap my real hair around. Because my real hair is it's not long, but whatever. So then I took the wrapping hair and then wrapped all of it down. I didn't use nail glue or heat to secure the end. All I did to secure the end was just literally put it in a knot a bunch of times because it was just doing whatever. Now, the benefit of doing crochet passion twists was it took a lot less time. I should say it took a lot less time that's not true. It takes some time to make the damn passion twist. Hello, that took time. But I was doing that while I'm vegging out, maybe watching TV or Netflix and chilling. I was just making passion twists. So that part, I was able to do that and didn't stress me out that much. So putting them in was actually a lot quicker than doing the goddess locks in my hair, because you all know that took me 653 hours. This took a lot less time because I was literally only wrapping the root. So here's the thing. These were long. Passion twists were so long. Like you can't, like they're to my, what are they? They're past my waist right now. when I did these were in the back of my thigh. Like they were past my butt to the back of my thigh. It was stupid. Okay, so I didn't know how to cut it for real, which you don't see on these because they were cut, is the frayness of the passion twist toward the end. That is really, really, really pretty. Okay, so because I cut mine, and to my friend, shout out, we actually cut my hair in the parking lot of Trader Joe's, because apparently me and my girlfriends went to Trader Joe's and I was just knocking people out in the aisles with my hair. So my girlfriend was like, I'll cut it. I have scissors in my car. I don't know why she has scissors in the car. But so yes, shout out to my friends that do ratchet stuff with me. And still, anyway, so we cut. Do I have the amount of hair we cut? I'll find it. So we cut my hair, and this, see, these are, look how long even this cut piece is. So can you imagine how long this was that I rocked it like that for like several days, just being that long and dumb. It was just flying everywhere, and I again was knocking people out in the Trader Joe's. That's a lot of inches, right? That's what he said. Anyway, so yeah, they were long pieces. We cut off this amount of hair. Listen, and this length is still like past my waist. So when you cut it, it ends up being blunt. And the thing, if you look at her tutorial, is that she would measure where she needed to stop so that she could stop. And so the ends would still look beautiful, whereas mine just look kind of dumb. Some of them tried to work out, others didn't. So listen, I'm not taking this out of my head. It's been a month, so I'm probably going to take them out at some point. I might try to do goddess locks again. I don't know what I'm doing. Now, this isn't as bad. Oh, here's another plus about passion locks versus the goddess locks. So if you guys see my goddess locks from my last install, this is my second install, third install of me trying to do my hair myself. Okay, so I think, or fourth, I can't remember. So my goddess locks that I did last time, they weren't like crazy heavy, but they were like a little heavy, so I couldn't really put them up. I was able to put them up toward the end. They didn't hurt or anything. I just felt like they were too heavy, and I wasn't used to the weight. When I say too heavy, I don't want you to think like they were crazy heavy, because they weren't. I'm just probably dramatic. So these are dumb light. Like I was able day one to just throw these up and up, throw that ass in a circle. Sorry. I was able to throw these up pretty early on. All the mistakes I made with these are a little less obvious when I put them in a ponytail. Up, because then the hair cascades and it covers all the dumbness that you see going on here. So this this is what it is. Sorry, in this journey I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes. The stupid part is me probably coming on camera showing you, but I just feel like, you know, for those of us who are not as gifted as these YouTube gurus, it would be nice to see somebody make some mistakes so that you won't do this. So again, my logic of doing passion, locks, twists, whatever, was because I don't know how to twist hair into my hair. I can't do it. And because I didn't crochet these in, when I did my goddess locks, I did the Jazz Nicole method. I did crochet them in. I didn't do that with these passion twists. So if you are going to do passion twist crochet and then you're going to put them in your head, you should probably, oh right, because you're not locking your hair. I don't know what you should do. I got no answers on this. You probably should just either stick with damn goddess locks or passion twist. Learn how to twist. To my sisters, where the struggle is real, this is what I got for you. This is what I got. Again, I've been rocking these for a month. One fell out the other day. Here's the victim here. And that's what I got for you. So, listen, just don't do what I did, okay? That's all I got. I'll be here with the next install. I'm going to put, of the goddess locks that I did last time, I did want to show you my maintenance. I had to put my pants up. I did want to show you guys my maintenance video, which I'll put up probably in the next couple of days. So about how to wash your locks. I'm not going to show it on this because I'm going to take these damn things out because I just didn't know what I was doing. But in the goddess locks, I kept my goddess locks in for 2 months. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that my hair still was curly when I took them out. Some people say their hair texture changes. That didn't happen with me. My curls, they don't play no games, okay? So my hair was still curly, it was still moisturized, everything was cool. And I retwisted my hair in a Goddess Locs one time out of the 2-month time frame. So if you're interested in seeing that, be sure to look out for that video. So that's it, guys. It was a fail. There's a lot of people who, but it was a fail because of me. So just don't do what I did and you'll be fine. Okay? All right, till next time.